Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about guest posting or guest posts. So when you write a post on your own website, that's just a post. That's just an article written for your own website. But when you write for someone else, when you write for someone else's website, then it's a guest post. Now, guest posts really help you get backlinks and increase your domain authority. But before I get into that, here's a couple of things. When you write a guest post, which means now that you're writing for somebody else's website, it should be really well written. Whatever post you submit to another website, make sure it's on the topic that covers your business. Just don't write anything that's not even related to your business or your website. It should add some value, of course, so people share it on social media as well. And when you backlink that guest post to your own website, make sure that the link coming to your site comes to a page which is related to the guest post itself or to the post itself. So here are some benefits to writing guest posts or posting on other people's websites. You get traffic, of course. If you're able to write on a website or for a website that gets a lot of traffic, some of them will click on your link and come to your website. Okay? It increases your domain authority. It increases your personal credibility because, of course, when you start writing for other websites, that increases your credibility. It increases your brand recognition. And this way, you're also able to build relationships with other bloggers, with other people who are adding content on internet. So here's one way to find where you can add your post or how to find a website that you can write for. So what you do is you add your search phrase and the word guest post. So let me give you an example here. So I went on Google and I typed office cleaning plus guest post, okay? And then these are the results that I got. I clicked on the first one right here. And right here, they say editorial guidelines, looking to guest post. Here are our guidelines, topics, submission process, link policy, and so forth, which means this website or these people or this guy is ready to accept post that follows these guidelines. So that can be huge. And if you were to scroll down, you'll see more ways of adding guest posts related to office cleaning. Now, not every single one of them may accept your post, so you may have to do some digging here, but you get the idea. So once again, you enter your search phrase and the word guest post. Now, I also did the same thing for mold removal and guest post. And if I scroll down, I found this website. When I clicked here, it took me to a page where someone about a year and a half ago wrote a guest post related to mold, of course, and now they are getting a backlink or they are trying to send traffic to their website. But when I click here, that site does not work anymore, which means this website now, Health Ambitions Tips, they actually have a broken link. Remember, we talked about broken link in the technical module. So if you reach out to them and you tell them, hey, I found this page on your website. I saw a post. I found the website it links to doesn't work anymore. So it has created a broken link for you. And if you say, hey, look, we'll write a new post for you instead of that one. And would you be open to adding our post to your website? I'm sure this particular person running this website will have no problem. So you can write a post related to mold effects on human health and then reach out to this website and have them replace the other person post with your content, with your post, with the link going to your website. And of course, you'll have your own search phrase, you'll have your own anchor text. You will not be using the key phrase mold removal Cleveland, Ohio. You'll be using your own search phrase in there. So sometimes you can find these kind of pages that will really help you get in the door faster. Any person who is managing this website will be more than happy to accept your post instead of this, because this will help those people, this will help this website get rid of a broken link. And no blogger, no website owner wants a broken link on their website. So, sometimes you can find such pages when you do some digging. So again, here's what I used: mold removal plus guest post. So you can change the phrase mold removal to anything out there, really. I showed you office cleaning. You can do anything else you want. And what you can also do is use your key phrase and write for us. That will also help you find websites that are accepting posts from other people. And so you can find other websites, you can provide them with content, and in return, they'll give you a backlink to your website and even traffic. If one of these websites you find is getting a lot of traffic, guess what? Some of those people will end up on your website for sure. You can do key phrase plus add articles as well. This will also show you websites that are accepting articles, that have ways of adding articles to their website. So you can then reach out to these websites and tell them, we would like to add an article on your page. Or maybe it's just an automated process. You just follow their guidelines, you add your own content, and they may just accept it and send you an email letting you know that we have accepted your post. It's live now. Here's the link. Let's say it's a famous site. You can then share the link to your article on your social media profile and say, hey, guess what? My article is printed or published on this website. Come check it out. That shows you as an authority figure. So you can do that as well. And like I said before, don't forget what you learned in the previous module on on-page optimization, because when you submit your guest post, when you submit your content to other people, to other websites, make sure you have everything that we talked about in the previous module, headline, subheading, bullet points, shorter paragraphs, easy to read. So when they get your content and they like it, they might reach out to you and say, hey, would you like to write for us once a month or regularly? Or we'll be happy to accept your content in the future as well. So this just makes things easy for the future. So remember these things. And I'm sure now you'll start working on how to add content to other people's websites and leverage their traffic, their domain authority, and help your own website rank high in search engines. Okay. And now I'll see you in the next video.